Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Coach unboxing, and I think the last time I made purchase from Coach, I think it was last year. I think it was the Cherry collection. So it's been a while. I haven't purchased anything from Coach. That's because I already have a lot and I wanted to enjoy each one of them. So anyway, this item really caught my attention, and I have been tracking this in such a long time, and I have tried so hard to find this. That's because I think this piece is gorgeous. It is one of a collector's piece. So if you are a Coach lover, a collector, I think this is perfect. So anyway, so I got a couple of items. So this is the first one, presenting my very first Coach in 2026, and it's in this dust bag. It is from the Coachtopia collection. So the dust bag is actually nice. I do love their dust bag. The interior of this dust bag feels so luxurious. It's very, very soft, and it has those print right here. Over here, it's so lovely. So anyway, let me show you the newest addition to my Coach collection. It is no other than, wow, she is finally here after a few months of tracking her. Gosh, she's finally here, and it is the Alter Ego small slouchy shoulder bag. So let me show you a little bit of a closer look on this beauty. Wow, it is gorgeous. So this is the small shoulder bag, because I think I would say that one, the other size for this, it's in a medium size, and that one, gosh, I never had luck on that, as well as the black. So as we guys all know, that Coachtopia collection is made up of this upcrafted leather. So meaning to say, they are all scraps that are left over from their Coach iconic style bags, such as, I would say for this one, because it is very soft and supple, I think this one is made up from, I think these are from the scraps from Tabby or a Brooklyn bag, just based on the feel itself. So look at the lovely combination of the color. So this one is the chalk and the black color. I think the combination is perfect, and also that's the reason why I purchased it. So this is on the smallest side, and the bottom is made up of smooth leather right here, and then look at those patches right here, right there. And wow, as soon as I saw it, wow, I fell in love with it. That's not because of the color combination, but it's beautiful craftsmanship. So each of these patch right here, they are stitched together, and the overlapping stitches looks amazing. Look at that one. And this one, and also this one has a minimal logo. So the debossed Coachtopia logo right here. It's amazing. Anyway, this is this beautiful strap. It is also made up of those recycled, or as they say, upcrafted. And this one feels thick and sturdy. Right here, it's made up of this smooth leather. And another thing that I've noticed, it's the glazing. The glazing all around it, it's very smooth. I am not seeing any bubbling at all. And I think this one is perfectly done. Just by looking at it right now, it was perfectly done with the glazing. Wow. That is so lovely. And then this has a silver hardware, the buckle right here. It says right there Coachtopia. Over here, and the strap is removable and adjustable. So we have several settings as well. So if you have one of the straps, yeah, you could easily replace it or to transform it into a crossbody bag. So right here we have the hang tag. It says right here Coachtopia. And one thing that I've noticed for this, it's if you actually hang it like this, it is a little bit longer. So if you put it right here, if on the table, so that would, yeah, it's actually long. And here's another hang tag right here. It says Coach, and then the cloud logo, Coachtopia. Right there. This one also has a silver hardware, and this part right here, you could attach your charm or any charm of your liking. Very nice. And this has those leather zipper pull, and it feels very, very sturdy. Okay, so let's take a look at inside. Let me test the zipper pull. Yeah, it is smooth. And then the teeth are in silver as well. And let's take a look at inside. So we have desiccant right here. And when you open it, right there. So you could easily squish the bag right there. It's very, very soft and supple, and that's what I love about it. And then it has those patch grid right there. It says Coachtopia in this cloud pattern. This one has a pocket right here at the back, which majority of my bag has pockets and I never used it. So right there. Okay. And then the other side, it's just plain. And this one is lined with the fabric or textile lining. And it says right there, there is a pattern. It says Coachtopia. So those little nice pattern, it is very nice. And yeah, it's actually roomy though. I was a little bit, worried about would my daily essentials would fit in here. As long as my iPhone Pro Max would fit, it will be perfect. A little bit of my pouch as well. I think it will be perfect. And yes, when I tried it on, this one is perfection. And moving on to the next item, right here, and this teeny tiny dust bag. It is a bag charm, and this is my favorite number. Well, I was born in the 80s. There's a lot of 8s, so I think this is such a perfect bag charm for me. Wow, the 8 ball is absolutely amazing. And on top of that, this one has some weight. Definitely. It feels a little bit heavy. And yeah, you could tell that this one is made up of high quality materials. And this is how it looks. And this one has a silver hardware. And then yeah, it has some weight. I can already feel it. And the reason I purchased this, that's because I wanted to hang it on my alter ego slouchy bag. So I think I'm not sure if this would work. That's because this one is really heavy. So let me just try to put this one in. Okay, so yeah, it is a little bit long. And I think maybe, yeah, I could find a way to, but yeah, if this is like the medium sized bag, I think it would definitely hang perfectly. But for this, it's just way too long. But I just love the combination of the 8 ball, the black and white, and also the pattern over here, the checkered pattern, the patchwork. I think the bag charm and the bag itself complements perfectly. Just like that. But I think the bag, just because the bag charm is a little bit on the heavier side, it's just like it's weighing it down right here. But I wish it could have been a little bit like this. Maybe I would buy maybe some sort of like, I don't know, where should I attach? Maybe I would buy something over here, maybe a D-ring that I could attach. And I think, yeah, with this height over here, I think it will be perfect. So I think it would look great. It is such a perfect bag charm for this purse. All right, and this one actually, I think this one is priced as, let me see, $195 US. It's not bad. And then the other size, which is around, I think it's $295. I will be tracking that one. And they have a new releases for the alter ego. I believe that one is made up of suede, which is also $195. A combination of different neutral colors. And also there is a denim one as well. So, but this one, to me, this one is perfect. So this will definitely fits perfectly in any of my outfit. So yeah. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.